What happens when the company behind cutting-edge AI decides to build a body for it? Yeah, OpenAI is moving from pure intelligence to full-on robotics. Here's the reveal. Caitlin Kalinowski says they're developing robots with custom sensor suites, designed to be general-purpose, adaptive, versatile in messy, real-world environments. It's powered by models built in-house. Job listings call for engineers to design mechanical systems for high-volume production, over 1 million units. That hints at ambition beyond a lab prototype. Why it matters? We're at a humanoid inflection point. OpenAI backed 1X, Neo-Humanoid opened consumer pre-orders. $20K price, 499-month option. Promises chores like laundry, tidying by 2026. Boston Dynamics teaming with Google DeepMind, training the next Atlas on foundation models. Atlas headed to Hyundai's factory in Savannah. NVIDIA unveiled Isaac GR00TN1, an open foundation model for humanoid skills. Dual system brain, fast reflexes, deliberate planning. 2025 hit a record 3.2 B into humanoid robotics. 2026 bringing Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. Real units rolling into homes. Big tech is all in. Tesla, Amazon, OpenAI. OpenAI's angle, ground AI and physical experience. Overcome limits of digital-only training. They're hiring aggressively. Top roboticists, top pay. Building a hardware stack tuned for their models. Align data, sensors, training at scale. Robots that learn faster, adapt better, generalize across tasks. But here's the critical bit. High-volume humanoids are brutally hard. Reliability, safety, battery life, manipulation, supply chains, support. Costs must fall fast. General purpose isn't a feature, it's a life cycle of data. Updates, guardrails, the timeline could slip. Hype will test trust. Still, pieces are lining up. Industrial partners, open models, capital. So, would you bring a humanoid home or keep it on the factory floor? Drop your take in the comments. I'll keep tracking OpenAI's robot and rivals shaping the next decade of work. Hit subscribe. Share this with someone who still thinks robots are sci-fi. The future just stood up and started walking.